guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. We have got two new collections this week. Sorry about that. They are both kind of summer related. They're nice and bright and fun, and I'm really excited for both of them. They are up on the website now. This video is going up Friday evening. I've been enjoying doing that a little bit more. That way I'm able to work through orders all day on Thursday night and then on Friday without having to worry about doing this until the post office is closed. That works out better for me. So anyway, two new collections. The base kits for these are going to be $12 through Sunday evening / Monday morning, depending on what time I'm awake to take them down. I did print off for one collection the extra ombre boxes plus the bow headers, as you guys can see, just to show you since I haven't had those the past couple of times that I've done these videos. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first collection that I have got here is called Tiki, and this one I love so much because it is inspired by the Enchanted Tiki room at Magic Kingdom down in Disney World, which I'm missing so much. So I wanted to take it a little bit different too, and you guys will see that in just a second. So the first thing that I've got here, this is an add-on option. These are our bow headers, and these will just be available a la carte on the website. We have these for all of these newer kits. I just don't normally print one off to show in the video, but since it had been a minute, I figured I'd go ahead and do that. So this is an option, and then to move on to the actual kit, we have got your full boxes here. And like I said, I wanted to make it a little bit different. I love the artwork so much. This is Elaine from Coffee Doodle's artwork, but I wanted to do more of like the larger foiled pieces and make it, because it wasn't so much Enchanted Tiki room the way that it was done. It was definitely more like still very Disney related and stuff like that. The only thing that really stood out to me that specifically was this box right here that has the actual Enchanted Tiki room, as well as like the little Tiki guy. So I wanted to bring in some stuff to make it a little bit more specific to being Tiki, like the Enchanted Tiki room. So if you've ever been to Disney, it is an attraction where you sit down and are serenaded by a bunch of birds. So that is what all of these birds are for, and I think it turned out really cute. I did want to still keep some of the Disney artwork in here. I didn't want to just do straight birds, but we've got a couple up here. This really cute pineapple that has the Mickey ears as the pineapple rings. Another bird over here, some snacks. A little bit difficult to see. There's a bird here as well as this little flower. We've got balloons, this really cute board here, and the flower as well. And then down here is the scene, sorry, my tripod. The scene that has the Enchanted Tiki room, as well as like these string lights that are just going across. So that is your full box sheet. I want to show you guys the bottom washi sheet that goes with this, because I think it also really helps to tie in the whole Enchanted Tiki, how many times am I going to say that in this video? Enchanted Tiki room aspect versus it just being a Disney kit. So as you guys can see, we've got the birds sitting on the bottom washi, which I just absolutely adore. I also really love these colors. We've got gold foiling, as you guys can see. Both of the kits are actually gold foiling this week. We've got the bow washi, you've got your flags and your arrows, daily tracker, weekly tracker, and then down at the bottom you have got your date covers. So that is the bottom washi sheet with the full box sheet. I just adore how this came together. I think it's super, super cute. I feel like it's a little bit difficult to see these birds right now in this lighting, but hopefully it'll look better when I go into edit. So next, your second sheet would be your boxes. Let me zoom you guys in a bit. I'm really far out. That might help a little bit. There we go. Yeah. So you've got your boxes, you have got your bow checklist, some bow ombre checklist over to the side, a couple of little scalloped banners, and then you've got 3 appointment labels down at the bottom. Your next sheet has got your headers, so you've got the bows with the lines as well as the just bows straight across. You've got your washi down here, that does have some foiling in it as well, and then you've got some extra boxes as well as some flags down at the bottom. So that would be the entire base kit, would be these 4 sheets, and that's what will be $12 through Sunday / Monday whenever I have time to take them down or change the pricing. Additional coupon codes don't work on these, and these are on premium matte paper. So yeah, if you wanted to make this into more of a deluxe kit, that is where you would have the option to add on your ombre heart checklist. So in the description for this, there will be the option for base kit or base kit plus ombre heart checklist. For the weekend, that would make that $15, and then it'll change after the weekend, but that is part of the special as well. So there is that. And then we do have a micro kit for this one, which is this right here. So you've got your snacks here. They're not even really snacks. There's the one snack, well, 2 snacks. And then you've got your bird right here. You've got your date covers, your boxes, your headers, your flags, and then your ombre heart checklist down at the bottom. And then your second sheet doesn't have foil. You've got your 3 heart checklist, weekly tracker, little things, daily trackers, washi, and then your boxes. So that is your 2-page micro version of the kit. Next, we have got a reformat of a kit that's not been around in a couple of years, but I don't remember what I was doing, but I saw one of these. Maybe it was an oops that we had pulled out or a de-stash or something. And as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to bring it back. I'm a little bit too close now because I love this kit so much. So this is called Sun. Your quote box up top says, girls just want to have sun. And then you've got this really pretty foiling throughout these pineapples and palm leaves. You've got this flamingo that has the foiling within the palm leaves. This really cute pineapple. There's a lot of foil in this kit. This really cute pineapple that has the foiling as well. This cute scene here that has got the clothes, and then there's another pineapple. We've got a flower here. We've got some foiling in the leaves, and then the watermelon here, as well as the watermelon here that also has the foiling. I'm just obsessed. This is one of my all-time favorite kits, and I had just kind of forgotten about it because it had been a couple of years since I had seen it. So there's that, but let me show you guys the bottom washi because it's also one of my favorite bottom washies. So the bottom washi has got your, gosh, my lighting is so bad, you guys, I'm sorry. You have got your watermelon pieces as well as your watermelon seeds, which are against the background that looks like the rind, which I think is just so adorable. And then you've got your palm leaves and your bow washi, you've got your flags and your arrows, daily tracker, weekly tracker, and then your date covers down at the bottom. So that is what those two look like together. And I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for the lighting because I can tell right now it's not the best. It's a weird time though, and it's also kind of cloudy out. So we've got that. And then your second sheet for that collection would have your boxes, your checklist, appointment labels, and then your next sheet would have your bow headers, washi, and then some extra boxes and flags down at the bottom. That one would have the same option to do the ombre heart checklist add-on, and there will be an a la carte place for bow headers if you're interested. And then we do have a micro version of that as well. So for this one, you've got the girls just want to have fun box as well as the pineapples with the palm leaves. I just think that this kit is so fun and I love the colors for summer so much. So date covers, checklist, flags, you've got 8 of those bow headers over there. And then you've got some boxes here with some foiling, and then your second sheet, same as the last, you've got your heart checklist, your weekly trackers, daily trackers, your cut washi, as well as your boxes down at the bottom. So yeah, that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. It always helps me out to kind of get feedback from you guys so that I know what you do want to see, what you don't want to see. But yeah, so I hope you guys love them, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.